Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is your person current feelings for the month February. So and their intentions. Okay. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. And this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Okay. So first we will see your person current feelings, then their intentions. So right now what they are thinking about you, Sagittarius. Your person current feelings. Emperor. Ace of Wands. King of Swords. Under the deck, Queen of Pentacles. So they're thinking about you that you are very caring and giving person. You are very nurturing person. Yeah. Because Queen of Pentacles, they're thinking about you like you are their queen, Sagittarius. Yeah. They're thinking about you very positively, their feelings towards you. And first card is Emperor. So they're thinking about to commit to you because they are very passionate about you. There is a lot of attraction involved in this connection, and maybe you person have some ego problems also, maybe in past, because the Emperor is here. But you person this time really want to commit to you. They want to offer commitment. If you both are in relationship but there is no commitment in past, but now you person in Emperor energy, definitely they really want to offer commitment to you. They want to fix, if there are any problems between both of you, they want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah. Emperor. And then Ace of Wands. Passionate new beginnings. If you are in separation, if you are in no contact or less contact, but this is, they want passionate new beginnings, and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. You person is very very passionate about you. Yeah. And they're very attracted to you. They want a passionate new beginnings with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. I think commitment, marriage. And King of Swords. Yeah, communication, clarity. I think they are thinking about you that you are very straightforward person and very honest person in this connection. You always there for your person. They know about that, and they also want to give clarity. Some communication and clarity is coming. Yeah, they're thinking about to giving clarity and communication about new beginnings with you, because the Emperor with Ace of Wands. They really want to give clarity. They really want to offer commitment. They're thinking their current feelings towards you. They're very passionate about you, and they're thinking about you very positive manner. And Ace of Wands, they're very attracted to you, and they want brand new beginnings. So these are the current feelings, Sagittarius, your person towards you. And let's see their intentions towards you. So the intentions means their action. What are the actions, Sagittarius? From this deck, we will see. What are their intentions? Empress. Again Ace of Wands. Two times Ace of Wands. New beginnings. They want new beginnings with you, Sagittarius. And King of Wands. Under the deck, Ace of Swords. Yeah. Truth coming out, communication and clarity. Yeah. Maybe you both are in some confusion state. You both want this relationship, but some situations happen between both of you. Suddenly, you both are broke up. Okay. but later again some communication, because you both are connected with each other, because there is a lot of passion and attraction involved in this connection. So then again some communication. Now maybe one part of your person want you back and another part is in some confusion state, Sagittarius. That's why truth coming out and communication and clarity is coming. This time your person is very clear and they want to give clarify to you. They want to give clarity to you, because they see you, their intentions, they see you as their empress. Yeah, you stand by your power, Sagittarius. You are very grounded. And Ace of Wands, two times Ace of Wands, they're really thinking about new beginnings with you. And Ace of Swords, definitely communication. There is some communication is coming in your way, honest communication, truth coming out. Again Ace of Swords, about new beginnings. Everything in this reading is about new beginnings, communication and clarity. And King of Wands, again your person is also very attractive person and very grounded. And your person also very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So I am seeing lot of you are starting communicating again if you are in no contact situation. I think you both are getting clarity. You both want new beginnings with each other. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message about this relationship. Hanged Man, the Lovers, yeah. And under the deck, Three of Cups, reconciliation, celebration, and your person and you want this reunion and this celebration with each other. And the Hanged Man, I think one person, again Tower moment. For some, if you are in separation, you both undergoing Tower moment, you both are missing each other, but you both want passionate new beginnings with each other. Here the Hanged Man and the Lovers, definitely there is love between both of you. I think I think one person is not opening up and not expressing their feelings. It could be you or your person. So it's your person, maybe your person in some confusion state, whether this time you will commit or not, Sagittarius. Or maybe you are in some confusion state, but there is love between both of you. There is confusion, Sagittarius. Maybe your person right now in some confusion state, but there is love because the Lovers is, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. It's you, Nine of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Yeah, you want commitment from this person. And Queen of Wands, it's you. You stand by your power, Sagittarius, no matter what. Yeah, you also want new beginnings with your person, but you want to stand by your power. You are trying to stand by your power and you are very grounded and you are concentrating on your career and abundance. In these recent times you are creating more money and you're getting financial stability and financial abundance. You will be like this if you work, or if you are working on yourself. And I think there is commitment is coming in this relationship. You want commitment no matter what. So I think, yeah, there is some commitment is coming. Your person also want passionate new beginnings, and they also, I think you both are on the same page. Yeah, see, mutual card, Nine of Cups. You both wishing for the same thing. And under the deck, Four of Wands. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. For some it could be twin flame connection, 11 and 11, but you both are wishing for Nine of Cups with Four of Wands. You both want same thing, and this is you both wishing new beginnings for each other and this celebration, this happy life with each other, and your wishes are going to be granted because you both love each other. And the Hierophant is here. There is commitment is coming, and your person have also love for you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini. Two cards. A win-win outcome is forecast. Okay, let's take. So a win-win outcome is forecast. Sagittarius, things are turning out in your favor. Some positive shifts are coming in your life. If you're working hard towards your goals, and you will get success there. And in relationship also, a win-win outcome is your forecast now. Yeah, things are turning out in your favor, and this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.